Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to get PowerPoint for your Mac. So open up your browser, right, and type just Microsoft 365. Okay, I'm going to select the second website or the second result and then hit sign in. All right, once you hit sign in, you're going to be inside Microsoft Copilot, right, where you can ask the AI anything you want, like another browser basically. And on the side panel, you're going to see PowerPoint. Just press PowerPoint. Right, and inside you're going to be able to operate inside PowerPoint, right? So select a new presentation. All right, let's say this one. Okay, and inside you can operate with PowerPoint as if you just downloaded, right? So basically that's it, right? You can start adding the title, the presentation title. If you want to add pages, you can add pages, right? You can add a new slide, click the right mouse if you have a mouse, or use 2 fingers to open up a new slide, right, and add a new title. And if you're done, you could just go ahead and hit share to copy the link live or link to this slide, right? If you want to add a team or people to edit or work on your slide, you could just go ahead and copy the link and manage access for new people, right? And of course here you can insert, draw, design, add transitions, okay, for more of a vibe or movement, animations, add a slideshow for beginning, right, to see the final outcome. And here in the file you could just go ahead and share it with people, as we just did a couple seconds ago, showed you, and of course export it as a PDF, ODP, or export to images. Consider liking this video, subscribe it. Until next time, see you.